I was thinking about one of the questions I get asked a lot, and it is, how can I believe in marriage and also help people rebuild after divorce? But the answer is quite simple. See, my divorce didn't make me stop believing in marriage. It actually just changed my understanding of what happens when a marriage ends. Divorce disrupted the baseline I had built my life around. My routines changed, my sense of normal changed, and I had to figure out who I was outside of the life and identity I had known. There was no roadmap for that part. I had to rebuild from the inside out, and I had to do the work. I rebuilt my identity. I learned to trust myself again. I learned to trust others again. And I created a new baseline for my life. Eventually, I was open to love again. That experience is at the heart of the work that I do. Believing in rebuilding after divorce doesn't mean I stop believing in commitment. It means that I know what it takes to rebuild. So I became that person I needed back then, the person who understands that you can be moving forward with your life and still not quite feel like yourself. The person who can put structure around the disruption and understand, help you to understand what changed and help you to rebuild your identity and intentionally create your new baseline. But here's something I want to make very clear. Getting remarried may not be part of your story, and it doesn't have to be. Rebuilding your life, rebuilding your identity, rebuilding your confidence, and creating a new baseline, building a life that feels like yours again, that's what's important. For me, life and marriage eventually became part of my life after divorce, and we've been happily married for many years. Your life may look completely different, and that's okay because the goal isn't another marriage. The goal is being able to look at your life, recognize yourself in it, and genuinely love the life you rebuilt. And I believe very deeply in helping people rebuild when marriage ends. Those two things have never been a contradiction to me. If this resonated with you, you can save the video so you can come back to it whenever you need a reminder. Or if someone you care about is rebuilding after divorce, share it with them. I'm Dr. Arlayn Castle, divorce and life rebuild strategist. Remember, rebuilding is possible.